Serena Williams, a sister, a wife, a mother, and arguably the greatest tennis player ever. With 23 Grand Slam single titles collected over the past 2 decades, Serena has the most any player has ever won since tennis turned professional. The question is, what does Serena use as fuel for these amazing workouts? Well, my name is Brianna, and this is Brianna's Best Life, and today we are going to find out. So back in 2011, Venus Williams, who is Serena Williams' sister, we all should know that, got diagnosed with an autoimmune disease, and which caused her to have to go vegan. So in support of her sister, Serena decided to go vegan as well. And it's pretty cool because not a lot of athletes are vegans. I know a lot of athletes need protein, and people tend to get a lot of their protein from their meats. It's pretty cool that Serena has chosen to support her sister and go vegan with her sister while also still remaining a top performing athlete. I thought it'd be cool to try this challenge because 1, I am not a top performing athlete, and 2, I'm not really a vegan, but Serena's like a strict raw vegan, and I've never tried to eat like that for one meal, let alone all meals of the day. So let's see how this goes. That breakfast wasn't that bad. It was pretty easy. It only took me, I'd say, about 5-10 minutes. My roommate said it only took about 10 minutes to cook, so that's good. It's a fast breakfast. Now let's figure out if it's tasty. In the article, Serena also mentioned that she has her breakfast with a fat burner. So I went to the store and I got these. I'm not sure if they're even fat burners. One says gut check and one says wellness, so I'm assuming the gut check's gonna be a fat burner. I don't know, you guys tell me. Core is the brand. Never had fruit in my oatmeal before. It's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. It's actually pretty good. When I first tried it, I didn't like the burst of fruit. Like just spurts into your mouth. I wasn't a major fan of that. I think I'll definitely be adding fruit to my breakfast more often. The almond butter makes it so much better. Like smoother. That's pretty good. Oh, this smells horrible. Oh, I don't think this is what Serena. Let's see if there's some warning that says maybe I shouldn't be taking this.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So, that's breakfast for you. And now I'm about to get some work done, and then I will see you guys during brunch. It's now time for brunch, or Serena calls it her late morning snack, which is an Ezekiel sandwich with almond butter. So let's go ahead into the kitchen and get our brunch on. So for my sandwich today, I'm gonna do some roasted red peppers, drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on the red peppers, and we'll pop them in the oven. In the meantime, we're gonna add some onion, feta cheese, we have some tomato, some spinach, and then some banana peppers as well. Anybody out there can tell me why like Ezekiel bread is the better type of bread? I get it that it has like seeds and stuff in it. If you guys haven't seen, like, this is what it looks like. I get it that it has seeds and stuff in it, but like, okay, now what? What is this doing for me? That I don't know. But anywho. Alright, so we have our brunch, which is our Ezekiel sandwich. said it has almond butter on the side, but I'm confused as to like, where do I put the almond butter? I wouldn't want it on my sandwich. So confused. Like, why would you want this on almond butter on this sandwich? But it looks good. Let's try it out. I've rarely ever had a sandwich without meat. So let's see. That's actually pretty good. I'm not that hungry for a whole sandwich right now, but this is really good for it to not have any meat. Okay. Okay, Serena. That was really good, you guys. That was actually amazing. I messed up royally, you guys. I'm so sorry. This sandwich has feta cheese on it. Feta cheese is not vegan, so that can't be what Serena ate. And I think I was just supposed to have almond butter and bread.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
I've only had one bite of this sandwich, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go have some almond butter and bread. And I'll see you guys at lunch. I'm almost about ready for my lunch, but before we have lunch, I'm going to go to the tennis court in true Serena fashion. I'm nowhere near as good as she is, but we're just gonna go and have some fun and shoot some balls around.
So when you wake up in the morning, don't look around to find me. I left an hour ago. Babe, you look cute when you sleep, so save all your love, cause my heart is cold as a stone. There was only one girl, you can blame it all on her. I wanna run away, it's not my desire.
That was a lot of fun. I actually had like a meeting as soon as I had just finished the salad. I was so hungry from the tennis match. I put my laptop on mute and eat. But this salad is really good. I'm still eating on it. So far, everything that I've ate today was actually pretty good. I wasn't a major fan of the Ezekiel sandwich. I'll probably cut that out. One with the almond butter, but I did like the one with the feta cheese. If they have a vegan feta cheese substitute, definitely try that. See you guys around my early dinner, between lunch and dinner. Yeah, see you during dinner. I feel like I'm spending a lot more time in my kitchen than I would normally spend, but it is now time for the afternoon snack. Let's go ahead and make like a matcha lemon cinnamon drink. Honestly, not sure how that's gonna taste. I don't think that it's gonna taste that good, but we'll see. Let's go. Smells good. It smells really good, actually. It smells like apples. Doesn't taste like apples. Oh, it's not that bad. I like it, so cheers. And while we eat dinner, let's talk a little bit about today and just how it went. So, I like the brown rice and the quinoa. Not quinoa. And the chia seeds with the hemp seeds. It was really good. All in all, I would say this is a pretty filling meal. I was supposed to add a salad on the side, but honestly, I'm so full from today. I'm not hungry at all. And I don't want another salad. I had a salad earlier, it was good, but I'm just so full that I feel pretty energetic. So let's talk about everything. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would say that eating like Serena for 24 hours was about a 4. I would give it a 4. I didn't mind any of the meals individually. The only main issue that I had was I didn't want to keep cooking meals or making my meals every 3-4 hours. She eats a lot. I felt like I was eating all day. Like my main objective was to be in the kitchen. And I get it, she's a celebrity athlete, so she doesn't have to worry about cooking her own meals. So for her, that might not be a problem. But for me, it was just a lot. You could also meal prep it. I've taken this a lot less time in the kitchen, but I just don't like eating that often throughout the day. So that's why I would give it a 4 out of 5. All of the meals taste great. My favorite meal by far was breakfast and my accidental Ezekiel sandwich, which doesn't even count. So I would say breakfast. I'm definitely going to have the breakfast again tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm actually starting Meg Thee Stallion's Heidi Boot Camp Challenge. So if you're interested in seeing me do that challenge, I will link for that video and appear in like some kind of corner. I'm super excited for that. So the next question is, would I do this again? Would I eat like Serena for 24, 48 hours, however long it was? Would I become the raw vegan that Serena is? Yeah, I would say that I would do this again. I couldn't eat this every single day, but I would definitely do this maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Or if I have like a busy day, I would definitely use this to meal prep. I did not miss the meat. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed doing this challenge. If you guys know of any celebrities who have different and strange diets that I could try for 24 hours, make sure you leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video if you like videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see who else I'm going to eat like. I'm going to go ahead and finish this and then take a shower and get in the bed. I will see you guys in my next video. This is really good. Yeah, I like this a lot.